Hello viewers, this is Suzanne Nongspong bringing to you the headlines first. Meghalaya celebrates 52nd Statehood Day, releases state anthem during the celebration. Meghalaya to host the first ever international water conclave for hill states in Shillong on February 9 and 10. Meghalaya Cabinet approves Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance 2024, increased contingency fund to rupees 1,000 crore. Meghalaya government asks proscribed HNLC to review its decision of withdrawing from peace negotiations. Meghalaya receives award for innovation in healthcare sector for positive public health management. The news in detail. The Meghalaya state anthem and the state logo were released on Saturday, marking the celebration of the 52nd Statehood Day in Tura. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said it is a matter of great joy and honor to finally have a state anthem after 52 years of statehood. The anthem speaks about a culturally rich and blessed Meghalaya, calling everyone to work in harmony to take the state forward. Meanwhile, during the program, the audience was treated to cultural performances by the Arts and Culture Department, including a captivating group dance by NCC cadets from Don Bosco, Tura. Meghalaya Day Awards and Governor Police Medals were also announced, recognizing outstanding contributions during the celebrations. Meanwhile, similar celebrations were held in other parts of the state. After formally launching the website of the conclave, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Friday said the maiden conclave will have participants from all over the country and beyond. It is being organized in collaboration with various state government departments apart from the Jal Shakti Ministry, he added. The Jal Shakti Minister is expected to attend the inaugural session of the conclave. A highlight of the conclave will be the Shillong Water Hackathon being organized in collaboration with the IIM Shillong. The participants are expected to share innovative ideas on tackling issues related to water and health.
Over the country who will be participating, as well as international participants who will also be coming and joining this particular international water conclave. This is being done in collaboration with different departments of the government of Meghalaya, including the Climate Council and the different water-related departments. And also, more importantly, we are collaborating and working jointly with the Jal Shakti Ministry, Government of India. And the Honorable Minister for Jal Shakti will also be attending this conference in the inaugural session, which will be held on February 9th, and the conclave will continue till February 10th.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed that the foundation stones for 3 roads connecting Shillong and the new secretariat in the new Shillong township would be laid on January 25th. Work on these projects is expected to start within 45 days of the formality. He also informed that Meghalaya government and NESAC have been using satellite imaging to map water resources, undertake town planning and implement various projects. The urban planning for Shillong and the new Shillong township have been mapped for the next 20 years with the help of satellites and drones.
Used for overall development aspect and the different implementation projects and other things. So Meghalaya has been very actively pursuing that, and as part of the activity that is being done between NASAC and Government of Meghalaya, multiple activities like agriculture, like water related, even town planning. For example, we have the entire Shillong town planning now mapped for the next 20 years. New Shillong has been mapped. All of this has been done with the help of satellite. And this is, of course, helping us to plan things in a much more technical way. So, like that, even for water and the entire springs and the different rivers and streams and catchment areas, all of them are being mapped by satellite as we speak. The work has been going on for some time and it has started already. And once all this is mapped, we will be getting details of everything on satellite imaging.
The Cabinet on Friday approved the Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance 2024 for increasing the contingency fund of the state from Rs 500 crores to Rs 1,000 crore. Informing that this is only a temporary measure, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma told reporters after the Cabinet that they have brought this ordinance because there are certain provisions in the budgetary provisions which bar the state government to utilize the funds or money when they get exhausted unless a supplementary demands is passed in the Assembly. The Cabinet also approved the names of the 3 awardees of this year's Meghalaya Day Awards and the official state anthem.
The increase in the contingency fund of Meghalaya amendment, this ordinance has been brought in of 2024, and basically this is a temporary measure. So the contingency fund for contingency fund of Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance 2024 will increase the contingency fund from 500 crores to 1,000 crores. Just so that people will understand what this technically means, as you are aware, this contingency fund is basically there because certain provisions that are there in the budgetary provisions, when they get exhausted, until unless we don't pass a supplementary demand in the Assembly, then we are not able to utilize the funds or the money. Even if we have the money, we cannot utilize it until unless supplementary demands are done. So when in the situation where supplementary demands cannot be passed in the Assembly, contingency fund provisions are used.
The state government on Friday appealed to the proscribed HNLC to review its decision to withdraw from the tripartite peace talks. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong told reporters that the government is ready to meet the HNLC top leaders at any place where they feel safe to continue with the peace process, stating that the state government is committed to take the peace talks to its logical end. He said that now it is up to the HNLC top leaders to decide, as opportunities like these do not come every now and then.
So, in every informal meeting also, that has happened, where ultimately from the central government and the state government, we have requested them that, okay, in the second official talk, we would like that the top leadership be present in the talk, will discuss, will talk all issues, whatever raised across the table. But it is very unfortunate, as I said to you, that ultimately they withdraw the peace talk.
For Innovations in Public Systems, CIPS, host its first award ceremony for recognizing innovative practices in Shillong with an aim to encourage innovators and inclusive innovations in public systems across the Northeast Indian states, Union Territories and Hill states in the field of education, health, information technology and rural development. Awards were given to states who stood out in terms of innovative practices in the mentioned sectors. A host of awardees from across the country were awarded for innovation in various sectors. Meghalaya Principal Health Secretary Sampath Kumar received the award for Positive Public Health Management, Meghalaya. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kerman Shilla said that after the ban on the rat hole coal mining by the National Green Tribunal NGT in the state in 2014, people have shifted their focus towards tourism sector for their livelihood. According to Shilla, before 2014, people of the coal-rich areas were unaware about tourism and its potential. But the NGT ban made people to realize that coal will not last forever, and hence they have started to look for alternative livelihood, which most found in tourism. The 35th Bienal Conference of the Home Science Association of India, HSAI Tura chapter, concluded today at the auditorium of the College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences, Central Agricultural University, Imphal, Umyam Ribhoi District, Meghalaya. The conference, held from January 17th to 19th, 2024, focused on the theme Multidisciplinary Approach in Home and Community Science for Sustainable Development. The conference also recognized outstanding contributions to research in home science with awards. The Shat Sojer Festival, held at Baridua village, witnessed active participation from the traditional heads of Raj Marwet, who played a key role in offering prayers for divine care and blessings. This annual festival, organized by Raj Marwet, holds immense cultural and spiritual importance. The community fulfilled a crucial aspect of offering prayers to seek God's blessings for the well-being of the people following the harvest season. In addition to the traditional heads, Long San Long Man, the offering to God was also witnessed by the traditional chief Ken's Aim. The Ranikor Beach Festival 2024, organized by the Officers Club, Southwest Khasi Hills District at Pamdaba River Beach, Ranikor, started off with a musical extravaganza. This is the third time that the Ranikor Beach Festival and is being held after a gap of 9 years. The program was graced by Social Welfare Minister Karaman Shilla as the chief guest. Other highlights of the day include Mau Point game and music from local bands, air raid sirens, notes of Aronga, Bahun and Ban, Rum and Monkeys, Thunder's Cave, Imprints and DJ Miban. The maximum temperature was recorded at 15.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was recorded at 4.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 52%, while in the evening was 62%. Forecast states that dry weather and shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we conclude, a quick look at the headlines once again. Meghalaya celebrates 52nd Statehood Day, releases state anthem during the celebration. Meghalaya to host the first ever international water conclave for hill states in Shillong on February 9 and 10. Meghalaya Cabinet approves Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance 2024, increased contingency fund to Rs 1,000 crore. Meghalaya government asks proscribed HNLC to review its decision of withdrawing from peace negotiations. Meghalaya receives award for innovation in healthcare sector for positive public health management. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. And before we go, we'll leave you with the state anthem that was launched today.